Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file my LLC taxes on TurboTax full guide. Start by confirming your LLC tax classification and collecting EIN, member percentages, and relevant forms like Schedule C or Form 1065. Open TurboTax and create or sign into your account, then choose the business product that matches your classification. Follow prompts to enter income, deductions, and member distributions, and save often to avoid losing progress. When entering income and deductions, be thorough and organized to reduce audit risk and maximize accuracy. In TurboTax, use the guided interview to add 1099s, sales, and other receipts, then list deductible expenses like supplies, rent, marketing, and mileage. Add depreciation for equipment and make sure owner draws are not mixed with expenses. Review each category for missing items before proceeding to the next section to keep numbers clean and defensible. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical tax videos. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great between tax appointments because a fresh drive makes paperwork less painful and it pairs surprisingly well with number crunching. Check the description for the product link and other deals before you go. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Allocations and correct filings determine each member's tax liability and compliance. Use TurboTax to enter allocations by percentage or special allocation, then prepare Form 1065 and Schedule K-1s for partners, or file Form 1120S if you elected S corporation status. Verify payroll, if applicable, and ensure employment taxes and estimated payments are recorded. Double-check member information, tax ID, and distribution amounts before finalizing the return to avoid costly amendments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.